Okay, for today we are going to learn about articles and quantifiers. Articles and quantifiers. Okay, for articles, a, and for quantifiers, any, some. So there are four, a, and, any, some. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, for a and, we start with and first. And we use and with the noun with vowel or vowel sound. Okay, the noun that have the vowel sound at the beginning of the words. A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an elephant, an igloo, an orange, and an umbrella. Please notice that all the nouns are in singular form. Apple, an elephant, E, an igloo, I, an orange, O, and umbrella. Umbrella is the A, umbrella. So you have to use and. Look at the sentence. I want an apple. I want an apple. Now let's look at articles A. A is used when you use it noun with a consonant sound. Consonant sound means the other sound that starts with B, C, D, F, up to Z sound, which are excluding the vowel sound of A, E, I, O, U. Okay, for example, a pen, a bean, a jacket, a mouse, a lion, a box, a glass. So you have to use a before the noun with consonant sound. Okay, now you look at the sentence. I buy a pear. So pear is a noun with a consonant sound. So you use a before pear. I buy a pear. Okay, now we go to the next slide, which is quantifiers. But before that, let's try to do this quiz. Bean, onion, egg, orange, jacket, bag. Okay, please remember the word or the noun that start the sound with consonant sound or the vowel sound. Okay, the first one, a bean. The second one, an onion. The third one, egg. We start with an egg. Orange, the vowel sound of O, so the answer is an orange. Jacket with a consonant J, jacket, so we start with a jacket. And bag with a B, bag, B consonant sound, we start with a bag. Okay, do you have any question for this? You can ask me later. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, this one is quantifier some and any. Okay, some is used for nouns in plural forms, whether it's countable or uncountable. Example, some oranges, some potatoes, some apples, some peaches, some milk, some sugar, some rice. Okay, for oranges, potatoes, apples, and peaches, these are the countable. But for milk, sugar, and rice, these are uncountable nouns. But you can use some, both in countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, now let's look at the sentence. She buys some apples and some oranges. So before the words oranges and apples, you can use some. We need some eggs. So before the word eggs, you use some. We need some eggs. Okay, next one, any. Any is used for nouns with countable or uncountable noun, mostly in question and negative form. Okay. Example, any milk, any sugar, any apples. Do you have any milk? So this one is in a question form. So, do you have any milk? Or there isn't any juice in the glass. There isn't any juice in the glass. This one is negative form. Isn't. Okay, now let's look at the quiz. Try to do this quiz. She has cereal. Sandy got onions. I need eggs. Do you have oranges? I need flour. There isn't sugar in the jar. Okay, now let's look at the answer. Do you have any answer in your mind now? Okay, the first one, she has some cereal. Number 2, Sandy got some onions. Number 3, I need some eggs. Number 4, do you have any oranges? I need some flour. And the last one, there isn't any sugar in the jar.